the tennis ball that can relieve back, neck or knee pain in seconds. The myofascial syndrome is a condition manifested by a chronic pain due to a repetitive contraction of the muscles, pressing the sensitive points. The tennis ball has a rubbery elasticity which relaxes and stretches the muscles and soothes the pain. This is how to use a tennis ball and relieve the pain in different body parts. Strain neck. The erector and suboccipital muscles need to be relaxed after a long time spent in the office, and they can easily get tightened. The following exercises can help you soothe the neck pain. You should lie on the floor with the face upward, and keep 2 tennis balls under the skull base. You should move the head and allow the balls to comfortably settle in the back neck part. Remain thus for a minute and then change the direction by pivoting the head from one side to another. Then, center the head on one side, nod, and then repeat on the opposite side. Sore back. Back pain is often a result of uncomfortable shoes, bad sleeping position, or an improper way of sitting. This is how to relieve the tension. You should put 2 tennis balls below the back, between the tailbone and the ribs, and move the pelvis on both sides, letting the tennis balls move over the back. You should decelerate the movements in the stiff back areas, and reduce the pressure close to the spine. Breathe deeply and repeat for 5 minutes. Stiff shoulders. This exercise will stretch and relax the cuff muscles, and alleviate the pain and tenderness in the shoulders, which is a result of bad body posture or lifting heavy objects. You should lie on the floor with the face up. Put 2 tennis balls behind the shoulders, and roll them over with the shoulders. Painful hips. If you wear uncomfortable shoes, you sit for a long time or apply an excessive pressure on the hips, you might experience pain in the small and large muscles that support the pelvis like the piriformis, gluteus maximus, and medius. This is how to release this tension. In a lying position, place a ball between the hip and the floor, and lean on it. Make 12 slow circles and change the side. Compressed chest. Everyday activities like long periods of sitting, cooking, or using the phone or PC, might result in a tight chest. Yet, this issue should be treated as it can become aggravated and cause breathing difficulties and problems with the nervous system. This is how to treat this problem. You should stand in front of a wall corner or door and place the tennis ball below the collarbone. Breathe deeply and remain thus for a minute. Next, move along the upper chest part to shift the clavicle up and down and from one side to another. To boost the mobility of the muscles, move the arm and neck for a minute, and then change the side. Cramped knees. While working out, you can stretch the articular capsule of the knee, and the exercise with the tennis ball can relax the muscles between the kneecap bones of the lower leg and thigh. Sit on a chair, bend the knees, and put the tennis ball at the back of the knee. Repeat 10 times and relax for 10 minutes. Bad posture. Improper body posture can significantly damage the muscles of the spine and lead to difficulty breathing. Therefore, in a lying position, place 2 balls on the sides of the back, and the hands should be behind the head while lifting it. Bring the head toward the chest and elevate the hips. Breathe deeply. Roll the tennis balls over the back for 4 minutes. Aching hands. The extended periods of writing can tighten the flexor muscles. You should place a hand on a table on top of the tennis ball, and place the other hand on the top to apply additional pressure. You should move the tennis ball horizontally to stretch out in all directions of the palm. Hold for 3 minutes and repeat with the other hand. Sore feet. Due to long periods of standing on the feet or from wearing unsuitable shoes, you might experience pain in the feet, as well as plantar fasciitis and pain in the upper back. The tennis ball trick will help you stretch the feet and support their flexibility. Place the ball under the feet and stand on it, roll it up and down the heels, and repeat for a minute on both feet. Tender thighs. The tennis balls will release the tension in the outer quadriceps muscles or the vastus lateralis. Sit on a chair and put the balls on the outer side of the thigh. Gently straighten and bend the knee 40 times. The thigh should be moved horizontally, scrolling the ball across the side of your thigh. Then, do the same on the other side.